Hello everyone, I am Shaini Chatterjee and I'd like to welcome you all to my YouTube channel on diploma and engineering videos. In this video, we will learn how to solve a problem on properties of fluids, and today we are going to solve first problem on this topic. So please watch this video till the end and don't skip the video in between. So let's start the video.
First of all, we will check out what is asked in the question. So, the question is, the weight of 5.024 liters of oil is 62.8 Newton. So, after studying the question, we get to know that the volume of oil is 5.024 liters and its weight is 62.8 Newton. So, we are asked to calculate the weight density. Weight density means gamma, mass density, that is rho, specific gravity, that is S, and specific volume, that is V or Vs. So we have to find out these four parameters in this question. First of all, write what is given in the question, then write what is asked to find out in the question, and then you do the solution. In that way, the presentation also is very good and you will be able to solve the problem in a simple way in this manner. So first given, so volume, that is V, equals to 5.024 liters. Now my dear students, we all know that 1 liter equals to 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Now, to convert liter into meter cube, we all know that 1 liter equals to 1 by 1000 meter cube. And 1 by 1000 means 10 to the power minus 3. Correct? So, if 1 liter equals to 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube, then 5.024 liters will be equal to 5.024 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Okay. Next given data in the question is W. W equals to 62.8 Newton. So our given data is ready with us. Now we have to write what we are asked to find out. So first of all, we have to find out the weight density of oil, that is gamma oil. Next is rho of oil or the mass density of oil, the specific gravity of oil, and last is the specific volume of oil. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now we will start the solution. I'd like to suggest you all to please go through my earlier video of this topic, properties of fluids, before going through this problem. So you can check the video from this link. The weight density of oil equals to weight of the oil divided by the volume of the oil. So gamma oil equals to weight of the oil divided by volume of the oil. Weight of the oil is nothing but W and volume of the oil is nothing but V. So gamma oil is equals to W by V. So in our given data, we already have W equals to 62.8 and volume is 5.024 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. So we will just substitute the values of W and V here. So we get 62.8 divided by 5.024 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3. 62.8 is in Newton and this is in meter cube. So this comes out to be 12.5 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter cube. How comes 10 to the power 3? Because 10 to the power minus 3 in the denominator, when it will go to the numerator, it becomes 10 to the power 3 as per law of indices. Now, if we convert it into kilonewton, then simply divide by 1000, we will get 12.5 kilonewton per meter cube. So this is our first answer. gamma oil equals to 12.5 kilonewton per meter cube. Next, we have to find out rho oil, that is mass density of oil. Now, we all know that gamma oil equals to rho oil multiplied by the acceleration due to gravity. Now, simply replace the value of gamma oil with 12.5 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter cube and G with 9.81. We will get 9.81 will go in denominator of left hand side. So rho oil will be 12.5 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 9.81. After calculating this, we will get rho oil equals to 1274.21 kg per meter cube. So this is our answer number 2 and this was our answer number 1. Now next we have to calculate the specific gravity of oil. Now we know that specific gravity is equals to rho oil by rho water, that is mass density of oil divided by mass density of water. We also know that S equals to gamma oil divided by gamma water. So we can find out the value of specific gravity by any of this formulae. So I will show you in both the ways how to solve this. We have already found out the value of rho oil. What is the value of rho oil? In our earlier answer we have calculated 1274.21. Rho water is nothing but 1000. So dividing this to, we get 1.27421. It does not have any unit. I hope all of you know this. So if we try to solve by gamma oil by gamma water formula, so gamma oil we have already calculated 12.5 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter cube. We have already found out this in solution number 1. So replacing the value of gamma oil, 12.5 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 divided by 9810. This also comes out to be 1.27421. So we have calculated the value for specific gravity of oil. We have to calculate the specific volume of oil. Now, the formula for specific volume of oil. We all have studied that it is the reciprocal of mass density. So what do you mean by reciprocal of mass density? Vs or specific volume equals to 1 by mass density, that is 1 by rho. So 1 by rho oil. Now the value of rho oil we have already found out, that is 1274.21 kg per meter cube. So it will be equal to 1 upon 1274.21. So after calculating this, we get our answer as 7.848 into 10 to the power 3 meter cube per kg. Value of rho oil was 1274.21 and units of rho is kg per meter cube. Now kg per meter cube is in denominator, so it will go up, so it will become meter cube per kg. I hope this is clear to all of you. So we have found out gamma oil, rho oil, specific gravity of oil and specific volume of oil also. I hope this problem is clear to all of you.
That's all for today. Thank you all for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Shalini Chatterjee Ray, and don't forget to press the bell notification for instant updates.